So capture lang. The next. So fake building, clear grounds. Alright, so next. So big buildings, guys, move. Big buildings, we need to update. So ito, ignore, small. So all covered by trees is ignore, Ignore, guys, ignore. So wala na, then submit lang. So habang nagdadrag tayo ng nung screen natin, yung mata lang natin is nandito lang sa mga yellow box lang, guys. Klaro, guys? Klaro? Yan, yellow box lang kayo titingin. Huwag kayo titingin sa mga pula kasi wala tayong pakialam dun. Okay, so dito, for example, dito guys, since ambiguous to, hindi natin alam kung building ba to or hindi. Diba? Pwede kayong mag-merge or kaya usog nyo na lang to konti. Okay? Wag lang magde-delete ha. Huwag kayong magde-delete ng nasa ilalim ng puno. Ipapabalik yan sa inyo ni checker. Klaro guys? Klaro? Okay, so pwede na natin to ulit submit. So next. Dito lang tayo ulit. First grid. Check. Okay, kung kayo hindi sure, if you guys are not sure kung building to or hindi, you can ask your checker or leaders, ha? Ito, kunwari, ito yung rule number Rule number 6. Look carefully at shifted buildings. No need to adjust. Just check if the shape is matched. Okay? So as we can see, yung label ay shifted lang. Pero ang size ng shape o kaya ang shape nila ay parehas lang. Meron pa rin kami nakikita mga labelers na naggaganto. Okay, guys. Do not do this, ha? Do not do this. Do not do this, ganito, ha? Just leave it like this, guys. Klaro, guys. Don't move, don't watch. Just leave it like this. Okay? Just focus on the rules. Since wala tayong rules for shifted to match, so don't match. Right. So next, clear the obvious grounds. Ayan. Okay, so clear the obvious grounds. So ito, if ever na hindi nyo ma-identify or ma-mislook nyo kung building ba to or trailer, so this is fine, ha? This is fine. Checkers, judgers, only fix the obvious ones. So ito, hindi rin natin alam kung trailer ba to o building. Pero kung sa tingin nyo i-building to, okay lang naman makapture yan. Lahat ng mga small, gaya na ito, ignore nyo lang. Okay. Tapos ito, delete. Ito, we're not sure kung building or not, then leave it, ha? Leave it. Focus lang tayo sa yellow, yellow, yellow. Right. So, lahat naman ng yellow ay building. Pero dito, hindi rin tayo sure kung building ba to or hindi, then leave it. Klaro guys, di ba? Very basic or kaya very easy project. Nakafocus lang tayo sa mga yellow buildings. Kapag maliliit yung mga yellow buildings, check ko na lang if building or not. Kasi sa mga residential, wala tayong pakialam kung may pagbabago sila. Ayan, sample dito. Diba? As we can see, all of them are residential. So, wala tayong i-fix na rule number 1. Tama, diba? Guys, tama. So, since wala namang mga big buildings dito sa mga yellow box, punta ka na lang dito sa number 3. Rule number 3, ha? Yan, delete natin yung mga fake buildings or obvious grounds. Okay? So ito guys, this is fine, ha? This is fine. Kasi wala naman siyang kalapit na checkbox. Ito, this is just a residential. Okay? Residential only. Bakit? Kasi tignan mo naman, ha? Yan, residential, 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 resi. So, kahilera niya is residential. So, kaya yan din ay residential. Hindi porket malaki, eh baka isipin nyo, big buildings na. And ito rin, ha? Guys, makinig, ha? Walang mag-edit ng residential. Klaro, guys? Klaro? Mga residential lang yan kasi ang katabi niya is puro residential. Okay. So again, dito, we're not sure again kung this is a building or fake building since covered by trees. Okay, then let's move again. At ito din, hindi tayo sure kung building yan or fake building. Not clear. Ignore nyo lang, guys. Ignore. Okay. So that's it. Pwede na ulit mapasa to. Guys, nakakaintindihan ba tayo? Sigurado kayo, ha? Okay, last task. 32, di ba? Pero, alam niyo guys, mas maganda kapag marami kayong nakuwang checkbox para mas madali nyo ma-hit yung 600 na yun. Pero mukhang marami naman. Tsaka marami pa tayong project na quick building update. Ayan. So, meron pa akong hindi na-open na 2, 4, 5. Ayan, 5 pa, may 5 pa. Ito muna yung unahin natin, 4. So, malay nyo, mamaya, meron pang ibang mas higit pa. Sa 32 yung checkbox. So, again, since sobrang dami ng checkbox at nakakatamad, mag-arrow out, mag-arrow down, mag-arrow up. Ayan. So, punta na lang tayo sa dragging yung task. So, again, punta ka dito sa first grid. And then, second grid. Delete fake buildings. Lahat ng nasa yellow box. Ito, we're not sure kung building. Pero yung katabi niya, ito rin, hindi rin natin sure kung building. Then, delete lang. Right. So, syempre, lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo na ignore ang covered by trees. Ignore all covered by trees, guys, ha? Tapos yung mga pulang label na yan, no need to fix, no need to group. Focus lang tayo sa yellow lagi. Focus sa yellow, yellow, yellow. Okay, so delete. Ito, this is fine. All fine. No big changes. Pero dito, guys, yan. Diba? Kasi kapag pinabayaan natin to, tawag na ito. Pag pinabayaan natin to, magkakaroon tayo ng topo. So, pwede namang iusog nyo na lang to. So, much better siya, ha? Pero hindi lahat, guys. Not all, okay? That's why na inusog natin to kasi magkakaroon siya ng topo sa huli. Gusto nyo pa yun? So, since nakita nyo na, di gawin nyo na, di ba? Baka mamaya ang mangyari meron nag-move lahat. So, ito, guys, for sure, this is a trailer truck. Paano natin masabi na trailer truck to? May ulo, di ba? Guys, please mute nga. So, yung mga yan, delete, delete. Napaka-simple lang. So then, hindi natin sure kung building ba yan or hindi. And ito, sure tayo. Hindi rin. Takpan ng puno, so ignore. No need to update. Ito lang yung building niya, guys. Oh. Guys, please mute. Okay. Tapos dito, hindi na natin makita kasi takpan na siya ng puno. Sino ba yun? So, natakpan na siya ng puno, hindi pa rin natin yan kailangan i-update. Klaro, guys, kahit nakitang-kita natin yung building ay ganito lang. But still, we don't need to update this one, ha? Okay, so delete, all fake. Yan. All fake. Pero kung sobrang layo na ng mga fake building na red, okay lang yun kahit ma-miss nyo. So ito, big buildings, then move lang. That's it, di ba? Napakasimple. Fake building, delete. So di ba, mas better mag-check ng ganun kumpara sa ganto-ganto ka pa. Mag-up, up and down, down ka pa. Okay? So pwede na natin to i-submit ha. Ano to? Fake building mo. Ito guys, so for example dito, we're not sure kung building or hindi, then don't touch ha. Okay, so another overlap. Okay guys, sa mga overlap, pwedeng kahit ganito. Okay? Yan. Or kaya, pwede sigurong merge na lang to kung nag-overlap. O pwede din namang repair tool. Okay? Kayo, diskarte nyo kung anong trip nyo. So, napaka-basic. Any question, guys? Where's the building? Kapag may topo po sa mga uncheck, aayusin pa rin po. Kapag may topo sa checkbox, syempre naman, kailangan mo ayusin yun. Hindi mo mapapasa yun kung hindi mo maayos yun. Kahit repair ka lang na maliit, kunwari, di ba? Kunwari, ito parehas red, di ba? Ganyan. For example lang guys ha, for example. So parehas red. Pwede ka siguro mag-repair lang ng sobrang liit. Yan. Or kaya, kung yung building naman ay sobrang layo, pwede rin naman. Ganun, ha? Depende sa'yo kung anong trip mo. Basta importante, ma-fix mo lang yun lang, wala nang iba, ha? May red label, walang building. Ignore po ba? May red label na walang building. Kung malapit siya sa checkbox, guys. Okay. Malapit sa checkbox or near the checkbox. For example, dito, may label but no building. Yan. So, delete. Ha? Klaro, guys? Klaro? Klaro na yun sa'yo, Rondel? Paano po pag maraming out of working area? What tab, guys? What tab? Ang alam ko, na-close ko na yung 5029 dahil sa out of working area. What tab, guys? Marami pa ba? Update ko yung big building kahit maliit lang yung need idagdag. Guys, no need to update the red ones, ha? No need to update the red ones. Only yellow buildings. Only yellow big buildings. Don't check, don't edit the red labels. Okay? Only fix big buildings with big changes na yellow labels or checkbox. Klaro yun sa'yo, John Vincent? Ha? Kahit malapit po sa yellow box yung hindi nakadikit sa yellow box. Okay, for example again sa mga fake building. So for example, here's the checkbox and then merong fake building dito na nakita mo na tapos ito ay kulay red. Okay, so kailangan mo pa rin siyang i-delete dahil nakita mo na. Pero kung sobrang layo siya, simula sa checkbox mo, okay lang yun kahit ma-mislook mo. Ha? Wag lang yung sobrang lapit, tapos pinabayaan mo. Klaro, guys? Klaro? Parang ipaulit-ulit lang yung tanong nyo. 5031. Marami ba guys out of working tasks? Dapat ipasend nyo yung task name muna sa judgers nyo para maklear ko. Huwag kayong nagdi-delete basta-basta. Kung meron man kayong out of working na labels or na task, huwag kayong basta-basta nagdi-delete. Si judgers nyo magre-report sa amin. Kaya si checker. So ito guys, sementeryo. Hindi naman siya totally obvious na fake buildings eh. So don't delete ha, kasi yung project natin ay hindi siya delete fake buildings. Okay? So huwag kayong nagpo-focus sa mga delete fake buildings. Dapat obvious grounds lang. Pero kung sure ka na fake buildings yun, pwede mo naman i-delete yun. Sa filter naman guys, let's check sa filter. Ay nako, covered by clouds. I said ignore, di ba? Covered by clouds, covered by trees. This is not a building, guys. Tangke lang yan na nakapahiga. Out of working area, send your task name. Or send the task name on your checker. Solar panel, never natin na-capture yun as building. Alright guys, let's move muna sa filter side. So sa filter side, konti lang naman ang checkbox dito. Like 1 to 4, 1 to 3. Don't spend too much time ha. So if yung kasama nyo, hindi naka-attend ng meeting, pero qualified sila mag-work dito sa quick building update, sabihin nyo na lang na mag-work sila sa filter side. Okay guys, copy? Alright, most of the tasks sa filter side ay fake building. Okay, for example, ito, merong labels yung mga snow. Diba? So delete grounds, clear grounds, and fake buildings for quick building update project. If you can see the area task clearly and you are sure that there is no human activity, you can delete and drone. Pwede nyo i-delete yung mga fake buildings. Klaro guys, kung walang human activity. Alam nyo ba yung human activity? Yung parang merong road. Okay, may daanan. Kaya merong mga pakalat-kalat na building. Okay? Yan, mga dirt road. Pero check nyo pa rin kung fake building ba yun or hindi. Klaro guys, ito kasi clear buildings. Okay, clear buildings. Clear grounds pala. Clear grounds. Sorry. And clear grounds. Na no human activity. So ito, for example. Yan. So building to, di ba? One checkbox lang. Yan. Pasa na natin agad. Huwag kayong mag-spend ng too much time. So dito, 3 or 4 lang yung checkbox. Yan. So for sure, this is not the building, di ba? Then delete, then submit. Same here. Okay. We're not sure since covered by trees. Ignore. Okay, so dito, pwede mo siyang i-delete kung magkaiba, kung mali yung shape. Pero kung tama naman, hayaan mo na lang. Pwede mo rin siyang i-merge. Okay? And then, submit. So again, dito, fake building, delete. Ayan. Okay. No changes. Don't touch, don't edit. Okay? Don't do this, guys. Don't do this. Labelers, don't do this. Just leave it like this lang. All shifted buildings. We know we don't need too much all the labels if shifted labels. Kagaya niyan, hindi nyo yan kailangan ganito. Okay? Pasan na natin yan. Okay, dito. Covered ng trees. Kailangan ba ito i-delete, guys? So, hindi. Pero may nakikita tayong fake building na solar. Ayan, solar panel. At dito, we're not sure kung this is a building, right? So, ayaan mo lang siya. Okay? Pero lang, simple, guys. Submit na natin. Okay, so dito, since pasok pa rin siya sa covered by trees, pero meron lang tayong nakikitang isang dirt road. Okay, so ito yung tinatawag na human activity. Yan. Kapag ganyan, guys, huwag nyo itong i-delete. Pero yung mga nasa gitna ng forest or kalawakan, pwede nyo yan ma-delete. Klaro, guys, klaro. Ito hindi pwede. Kasi merong road. As long na may nakikita kayo human activities, huwag kayo magde-delete na magde-delete. Asan na natin yan? Diba? So sa filter side, guys, dito naman is padamihan ng task. Sa meaning ng padamihan ng task, kailangan per task nyo is 15 seconds per task. Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo na don't spend too much time. Okay? Sa labeler naman is 6 seconds per checkbox. That's why equivalent niya is 600 checkbox for 75 pesos per hour. Okay? Pero nakadepende pa rin siya kung ilang checkbox ang nagawa mo. Klaro ba, guys? Klaro? So again, sa filter, kailangan mong mga 240 tasks sa loob ng isang oras for your 75 pesos. So again, checkbox. Okay. Shifted labels, ignore. As long na same shape, same size, ignore. Covered by trees, ignore. Ito kasi is maraming human activity. So that's why na we're not allowed to delete the labels by covered by trees or ng clouds. Unlike dun sa ginawa natin kanina. And fake buildings, pero parang building tong maliit eh. Huwag nyo na yan i-delete. Ganun lang simple ha. Lian, nasagot ko na yung delete solar panel. Diba? So last task, sports ground, delete. Don't delete. Don't delete. Yeah. Don't delete. Tingnan nyo guys, yung residential, kahit may pagbabago, but still, hindi pa rin siya allowed i-fix. Okay, we're not allowed to fix the residential. Only fix the big buildings with obvious big changes. Klaro guys, klaro? So again, submit lang natin. Ganun lang simple ha. So any more question guys? I think nasagot yung mga na-question nyo. Naisagot ko na habang nagde-demo tayo. So ito ay building. Okay. Para sa mga ganito guys, yung residential, kasi hindi nyo naman sila kailangan i-update. Bali lahat ng label na nag-touch sa building, huwag nyong tatanggalin. Ang tatanggalin nyo lang, itong mga fake buildings na hindi nag-touch sa buildings. Okay? Yan. Yan. Diba? So, hindi siya nag-touch dun sa buildings. Klaro ba, guys? And the rest na nag-touch sa mga buildings, no need to update. Klaro, guys? Klaro? These are buildings. Kasi kung trailer truck yan, dapat ganito lang kalaki. Diba? Pero hindi siya trailer truck. Alright, so any more question? Agad sa ba, guys? Agad sa ba lahat? Okay, attendance. Masyado kayo excited tapos mag-over-edit lang kayo. Okay, attendance, fill up the form. Don't be late kasi ang mga late na nag-fill up sa form, hindi ko bine-verify.